Losing 20 pounds of fat in a healthy and sustainable way requires a combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Crash diets and extreme measures are not recommended, as they can be harmful to your health and often lead to temporary results. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to lose 20 pounds of fat the right way. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about how to lose 20 pounds of fat the right way. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Consult a healthcare professional. Start by scheduling an appointment with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian. They can assess your current health, including any underlying medical conditions, and provide guidance tailored to your specific needs. Before starting any weight loss program, consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. They can assess your current health, help you set realistic goals, and provide personalized recommendations. Set realistic goals. Instead of aiming for rapid weight loss, which is often unsustainable, set smaller, achievable goals. For example, aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is considered a safe and sustainable rate. Aim for a gradual and sustainable weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Losing weight too quickly can be detrimental to your health and result in muscle loss. Create a calorie deficit. Calculate your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, which represents the number of calories you burn in a day. You can find TDEE calculators online. To lose weight, aim to consume 500 to 1,000 calories less than your TDEE per day, which should result in a weekly calorie deficit of 3,500 to 7,000 calories, equivalent to 1 to 2 pounds of weight loss per week. Weight loss is primarily about consuming fewer calories than you burn. Calculate your daily calorie needs, total daily energy expenditure or TDEE, and aim to consume fewer calories than your TDEE to create a calorie deficit. Maintain a balanced diet. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. This means choosing lean proteins, such as chicken, turkey, and fish, over processed meats. Opt for whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat pasta instead of refined grains. Increase your intake of vegetables and fruits for essential vitamins and fiber. Include healthy fats, like avocados and nuts, for satiety and overall health. Lean proteins, chicken, turkey, fish, tofu. Whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats. Plenty of vegetables and fruits. Healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts. Limit sugary beverages, processed foods, and excess sugar and salt. Portion control. Learn to recognize appropriate portion sizes. Measuring and weighing your food can be helpful initially. Over time, you'll develop a better sense of portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and practice mindful eating to recognize when you're full. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for overall health and can also help control your appetite. Drinking a glass of water before meals may help you eat less. Regular exercise. Include a combination of cardio and strength training exercises in your routine. Cardio workouts like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling help burn calories, while strength training helps build muscle, which can increase your resting metabolic rate. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, making it harder to control your eating habits. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Practice stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Track your progress. Keeping a food diary or using a smartphone app to log your meals, exercise, and weight can help you stay accountable and identify areas for improvement. Be patient and persistent. Weight loss is not always linear, and there may be periods where you don't see immediate results. Stay committed to your plan, and remember that consistency is key. Seek support. Consider joining a weight loss group or finding a weight loss buddy to share your journey with. Support and accountability can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge your achievements along the way, whether it's hitting a fitness milestone, making healthier food choices, or simply feeling better. Non-food rewards like a spa day or new workout gear can be great incentives. Meal planning and preparation. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to ensure you have healthy options readily available. Meal prep can help you avoid making impulsive, less healthy choices when you're hungry. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat, savor each bite, and eat slowly. This can help you better recognize your body's signals of hunger and fullness, preventing overeating. Monitor macronutrients. Keep an eye on your macronutrient intake. A balanced diet typically consists of around 45 to 65% carbohydrates, 20 to 35% fats, and 10 to 35% protein, but these ratios can vary depending on your specific needs and preferences. Choose high-fiber foods. Foods rich in fiber, like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, can help you feel full for longer, reducing the chances of snacking on unhealthy foods between meals. Stay consistent. Stick to a regular eating schedule. Eating at the same times each day can help regulate your metabolism and reduce mindless snacking. Hydration. In addition to drinking water, include herbal teas or infused water to add variety. Sometimes, a warm cup of tea can curb cravings. Monitor your macros. Tracking your macronutrient intake, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats can provide insight into your diet's composition. Experiment with different ratios to find what works best for your body and preferences. For example, some people find success with a lower carb or higher protein diet. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.